Why is that so funny?
Daddy's got the hiccups, huh, baby?
Hi, Munchkin. Is that funny to you? It's not funny to me. It actually kind of hurts a little bit.
Is that funny, sweetie? Is it funny when I snort?
You're goofy.
Oh, icky cough.
Is that so funny? I think she's done now.
Are you sure? Are you done with the hiccuping?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye, Evie.
Yeah.
Evie, say bye-bye.
Say goodnight.
Night-night.